In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button to the header navigation of your website. This is a simple yet effective way to enhance your site's navigation and improve user experience. Let's dive right in and walk through it step by step. First, start by directing your attention to the left panel of your website's interface. Over there, you'll see an option labeled Content. Go ahead and click on it. This is where we manage various aspects of your site's content, and today, we're going to focus specifically on one important element, the menu. Once you've clicked into the content area, your next move will be to select the option marked Menus. The menus are essentially the backbone of user navigation on your site, guiding visitors to where they need to go. Clicking on Menus will bring up a list of existing menu structures. From here, you'll want to find the main menu. This is typically the primary navigation structure that appears prominently at the top of your site, often in the header area. Once you've located it, select it to confirm that you want to make changes specifically to this menu. With the main menu open, you can now proceed to click on the button Add Menu Item. This is the exciting part because this is where you'll be creating your new button. Here, you have the freedom to decide what the button should do and where it should lead your visitors. Give your new menu item a name. This could be anything relevant to the page or action you want to highlight. For instance, if you're linking it to a contact page, you might want to call it Contact Us. It's crucial that the name is concise, yet descriptive so your visitors immediately understand its purpose. Next, you need to set its link. This is simply where you want your button to direct your visitors upon it being clicked. You can set this link to any page of your choice, depending on your website's goals. Whether it's an internal page or an external site, make sure it's programmed correctly to ensure smooth navigation for your users. After you've set the name and link, you're nearly done. The next vital step is hitting the Save button to ensure all your changes are recorded. Once you do that, refresh your website to see the changes take effect. This is when your new button will appear in the header navigation, just as intended. And there you have it. Your button is now live on your site, ready to guide visitors to whichever page you've linked. That's all there is to it. You've successfully enhanced your website's functionality with a new navigation button. Thanks for following along, and stay tuned for more tutorials.